mall, maglaag, magpakpas, you know na, mag-wait ni. So, sakay kami ng tricycle.
Go to Dimo. Local na Boracayans.
Aklanon.
Aklanon.
Yeah.
Annyeong! I like that.
Annyeong. Annyeong. Dapat ano natin kung anong hi nila dito.
Dimo, kuya. Saan ka itong nag-Astoria sa imo?
So gonna get to clapping. Go pop it for a plan, pop it for me. Turn around and drop it for a plan.
So outfit check.
Yes.
Again, top from Shein. Skirt from top from Shein, skirt from Shoppee, and slippers from JS Illustre. Pero paki-change natin yan later. And i-change pa natin to into black one.
Change mo yan later kasi so
So, okay. So, update na lang tayo kung may bagong something sa outfit or what man. So, yeah, that's it. That's our outfit for today, for tonight. Girl! Girl, like bro, pinning day. Hashtag
mango juice.
Okay. Hashtag
Watermelon juice.
okay. Hashtag
Sex on the beach.
okay. Hashtag
Cosmopolitan.
okay. Alista hashtag
Piña colada.
okay. Hashtag pineapple juice.
On out.
Ay, kauntanan ni mo kay ate.
Bakit madilim dito?
Bakit pwede mo gani? Kisugaan ako.
Ang hirap kumain.
So, here. The upgrade.
Worth it ang pagmukbang.
Yan na to. Naalala.
Kita na pa dyan na rin natin. Kita party yung
Radyo food. Kakagaling lang namin na scuba diving.
Recommended.
Milk that. Right now, we're on our way to do parasailing and UFO. We just finished scuba diving and it was so cool. I'm just gonna post or link the description down below kung asan kami nag-book, which is super legit and super alaga. Super worth it ang ibayad nyo. It's like 800 pesos lang ibayad namin for that. And I'm just gonna show you some pictures over here sa screen so that you'll see how nice it is. So I'm just gonna update you guys more about our water activities later. So see you.
Talks kind of lazy, people say she's crazy, and her life's a mystery. Oh, but love grows where my rose where it goes, and nobody knows.
Sa atin. Di ba mabuo lang atin?
baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. Places could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom, girl. You make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine.
You got me craving for you night and day. I get anxiety.
So we're on our way to go.
Hey, 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 lover. You don't have to be a star. Hey, 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 lover.
Tara, let's go na daw. Let's go yata. Wait lang sa nagkuhan mo. Nagpanyaman ako.
Baby, baby, you're my sun and moon. Girl, you're everything between. A lot of pretty faces could waste my time, but you're my dream, girl. You make flowers bloom, girl. You make the stars collide. And I don't know what I did to get lucky like this, but it sure feels fine.
You got me craving for you night and day. I get anxiety when you're away. 'Cause I just can't believe that you're mine to keep. That's why I want you right next to me all the time. When the sun rises and the moonlight shines in your eyes, I feel like the luckiest guy on earth.
We child, don't you know that we gon' be alright? 'Cause baby, you've been racing through my mind, made it there in record time. I've seen many wedding faces, you're the only one worth think I may be falling in love. Ooh, we child, don't you know that we gon' be alright? 'Cause baby, you've been racing through my mind, made it there in record time.
So right now, we're at our room number 2. So this room is the one with the direct pool access. So, andito ako sa labas, and as you can see, that's the pool right there behind me. Paglabas mo pa lang ng door, andito na siya, diretso na, pwede ka na lumublob. I'll try that out later. So, pagpasok mo, this is the room. The direct access. So, yan. I'm staring with my friend Roseman. O, diba?
Hi guys.
Yes, same as last nights. So, yun din, same sa taas. May couch pa rin siya. But, mas maliwanag dito. Siguro kasi, nag-reflect yung pool. Charot. So, mas may sun rays. So, yan. And meron din silang vanity area. Same din sa taas. This is the outfit DI. So, yan. And may TV. Mas, dito, maaliwalas than sa taas. And hindi mo na kailangan mag-akyat. Wala silang elevator. However, laban lang. Okay. Then next, ang CR din natin is, yan, meron siyang bathtub, as you can see dito. And makita mo directly yung tao sa labas. So, let's see ba kung makikita din tayo from the inside. Here, meron din silang mga shampoos. Ang kuruko. Kasi yung meron silang mga shampoos, conditioners. Yan. And then, this is the mirror in here. Ganda ng lighting niya. So, yan. See, ito yung toilet side. And nag-lower din sink sa taas. And this is the bathtub. Ako, I'll try it on na pumunta dito. Though wala pang water. Ang likod ko, so nice din. It's super big and spacious. As in good. Like, You'll be able to relax here talaga. Have one single bed and at here sa amin na side. Medyo open na kami ng luggage kasi we're getting ready for our lunch sa Four Seasons. So, yan, medyo makalat na. But it's still worth seeing naman yung room natin. But it for the room tour sa aming room dito sa baba with direct access. So, I'll see you guys around na naman. So, we're currently at True Home right now and I ordered, what's the name? Baked salmon. What's up po? Tell you what? Naka latte.
Ay, wala ka sausage latte.
Taking a dip in the pool. So right now, I'm on my way to breakfast. Visit Cafe Maruha. So join me. Tropical berries, opo. And then this is the mixed berries. Kay Teya, okay. Zoom in. Fruit na, pero lame. Ang tag-iya ka na. Hello. Ito among friend, uy. Flexible yarn.
Nindot na mapisa dito.
Iyan, pauwi na kami.
Yes, we're on our way back. Galing kami Cafe Maruha.
Yes.
Magdaan ka Cafe Maruha. Tapos hanapin si Ate Daiden.
Okay.
Mabait siya masyado.
Iinat.
Sabay.
Nakipag-chika siya sa amin.
Sabay,
And all.
sabay. Sumabay siya kay
BBM siya, guys. Sandra, magkita tayo sa Davao mamaya. So, we're on our way home right now. And I just wanna say that I'm just so glad that I was able to go here and enjoy and be with these people around. Everything from the beginning was very worthwhile. So I'm just gonna be linking down below every activity that we did and where we booked it and how much ang nagasto namin. So, I'll see you guys again next one. Dapat mag-change outfit, magod pag manihapon. Mag-prepare na po sa...
Kaya naman, dili man yapon. Gusto pa man ko.
Gusto daw ka ba?
Oh, ano po? Wala na ko kwarta. Pinupunta na. Uy, mag-pictorial ka pa or anything? Hindi na.
Ikaw picture
Mali ko na ta. Isa mo punta sa gamit.
Picture, sir?
Hey, kukuha mo gamit. Tanggalan eh. Ang sabla! Kailang yan, day.
Pero wag lang natin masyado anahin. Wag lang tayo siya magtagal. Pero hilak lang dito niya pag sakit na. Alala, sige. Tutoy ni mamang guys.
Try.
Chicken burger na ako ah.
Isa na po na stress.
Kasi permitin nagmadali. So, meron kami 1 o'clock na
Scuba diving. Na dapat dili malit kaya nag-apas sa puan sa time. Kaya pag malit, basig di madayon ang di pambayaran.
bayad na bayad. Pero,
Don't
make it work. Guys, by the way, nakita din pala namin si Kylie Versosa. Siya ang nagpaal. So, we're just gonna post the picture here. Pictures namin here. Yan, di ba? So pretty ni Kylie. Ate Kylie, baka naman.
Shout out.
Shout out.
Kylie Versosa. DM mo sa amin yung picture.
Hello, so right now, it's currently 8 p.m. and we're at Henann right now, Henann Garden, and we're about to go to Maya's to eat our dinner. Okay, Riza. That's my... Okay. Pretty girl. Mag-attend kami ng kasal, so naka-white kami lang. Biglaan lang, na same ang mga outfits namin. And, uy, nice ang ano niya sa video. So, super daming lights. So, we're gonna see you when we get there.
Yay, see you!
See you.
See it!
Let's see it.
Kwarta sa inyong kwarta, be? Kamatin ko. Pila ka nan?
Mama Dusima, ka-proud.
Picture tayo.
Inanamaot ang phone.
Mag-flash man ko na yung mga pangit kayo. Tara, oh. Ano ba, nanay kayo flash? Buko, guys.
Ayaw na nga.
Ha?
Ayaw na nga.
Ayaw na na siya?
Oo.
Mag-flash.
Kaya na isa na.
Ayaw daw, 200 doha. Yes, Gabriel, tapos ka ng 20 cheese.
Makalimutan niya na. So, these are my nice friends who went with me para to get my new memory card because naubusan na. So, hindi nila ako pinapansin because nagka-memory sila ng TikTok. So, okay. Let's just be here for that.
Okay, ma'am, pwede kunin yung masa. Okay, ready, 1, 2, 3, one more. Ready, 1, 2, 3, another one. Ready, 1, 2, 3, isa pa. Ready, 1,